Hi, this is Marty Hernandez, and today we're going to have another house tour here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig City. Now, this contemporary design house and lot has a lot area of 160 square meters and the floor area of 210 square meters. The ground floor has the kitchen, the living room, a powder room, a pocket garden on the right side, the maid's room with its own bathroom on the left side, and it has its own outside access of the property. On the second floor, you have the 3-bedroom with their own bathroom, and on the third floor, you have the attic, which can be converted to a playroom or another bedroom, which has its own bathroom. Now let's go see the house. This is the gate of the house on the left side, which can accommodate 2 cars. Can be a sedan or an SUV, and you have the gate for the pedestrian over here, and you have the doorbell on the right side. So upon entering the pedestrian gate, so again you have the car garage. Meron ka na ring faucet on the left side there, so may gripo ka na doon for car wash, and you have a storage here to put your things for your cars. And on the right side, you have the pocket garden. So, buong setback sa kanan ay pocket garden. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyo pang pasementohan or not. On the left side, you have the maid's room. So, let's go there before entering the main door. So, meron ka din pin light sa taas dito. Extra light. Yan. So, dito meron kang maid's room, and yung maid's room wala siyang access sa loob kasi nasa labas lang talaga yung kwarto niya. So, medyo maliit talaga yung maid's room. Ito lang siya. So, saktong-sakto lang yung single bed dito. So, please don't mind yung mga gamit, mga extra gamit kasi may mga finishing touches pa na ginagawa sa bahay. So, sa right side, meron kang, andito yung bathroom na maid. Pero, don't worry, may door din dito. May partition din pa ganun. So, hindi naman, syempre, na maid's room, tapos may katabing CR talaga. May partition naman yun. So, now let's go here to the laundry area. Yan, sorry. So, this is the laundry area, and you have another faucet there. And meron ka ding drainage dun. So you have a sink over here. And this door leads to the kitchen. This one leads to the kitchen. So ito yung sink na sinasabi ko kanina. And meron kang drainage dito. So here you have a space sa likod. So lalagyan to, pwede nyo lagyan na ng another sink and another counter spaces for the dirty kitchen. So, ngayon wala pa. So, I still have to confirm kung lalagyan pa ng extra dito for the dirty kitchen. Now, let's go back to the main door. So this is the main door. It's made from solid wood, and ito yung handle. And this will be your living room pagkapasok. And sa right side, so sa right side meron kang mga window for more natural light. Meron kang 4 na window dito, so may papunta doon sa right side. And here sa left side, meron kang another small space for the powder room and an extra space here. So itong makikita niyong water tank, syempre hindi naman nakalagay dyan, nilalagay sa bubong yan. So I'll be putting in the description kung gaano kalaki yung water tank na yan. Now let's go see the powder room. So mapapansin nyo maliit siya since powder room siya. And ito lang siya, so may water closet and sink. And may exhaust fan sa taas. Also, you'll also notice na yung walls ay hindi tiled buong walls kasi high ceiling siya. Ito yung isang advantage yung property, high ceiling siya from the ground floor pataas. Kaya mapapansin niyo rin yung mga shots ko ng exterior ng bahay, pataas yung bahay. Tumatangkad yung bahay. Buti ba siya? Now, let's go to the... And you also notice yung drop ceiling na may cove lights. Yan, so yung design niya. Drop ceiling na may cove lights. Now let's go to the kitchen. So this will be your kitchen. And you have enough counter spaces. Again, this will be your kitchen and you have granite countertops. So you have an L-shaped counter space here on the right side and more counter spaces on the left side. And marami ka rin mga cabinets for your things, for your kitchen. Mga ginagamit sa kitchen, condiments and all. So yung sink niya is dual sink. And medyo malalim naman yung sink. And you have the window here for more natural light and kung gusto nyo pang lumabas yung hangin or yung amoy nung niluluto nyo. So ito yung door kanina na pinakita ko na leading to the left side of the property. And here is a sliding door leading to the back of the house. Now let's go to the second floor. So we are now here on the second floor and kung mapapansin yung railings, they are made from metals. So on the left side, you have the master bedroom here. And on the left side, you have two other bedrooms. And you also have another window here for more natural light. So let's see this bedroom first. One thing you will notice sa bedrooms are yung kulay niya ay light beige. And yung floorings are made from 60 by 60 ceramic tiles na wooden design. So meron kang window dito. Now this is the back of the house. And every bedroom naman meron kang built-in cabinets and bathrooms. So you don't have to worry about communal bathrooms, yung pag-share ng bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Another thing to notice na hindi tiled yung buong wall kasi high ceiling siya. And yung ilaw is naka-drop ceiling cove light. And may exhaust fan. And ito yung water closets and sink. Let's take a quick look close up dun sa shower. This one is the one for you. Okay, so now we are done here with the first bedroom. Let us now go to the second bedroom. Okay, here are the built-in cabinets. Tingnan natin saglit yung loob. Yeah. So you have ample spaces of drawers and maghahang ka ng mga clothes dito. So we have another built-in cabinet here. It's just the same as the first one, pero it's much wider. Yeah. So now let's go to the next bedroom. On on the right side here. Yeah, so this one is roughly the same size as the first one, pero mas mukhang malaki yung isa kasi mas maraming window. So also you have the provision for the window type aircon here, and you have a window there, and meron ka naman mga sockets dito sa right side and sa left side. So hindi ka naman magkukulang ng sockets dyan. And I think built-in cabinet. Isa nga lang yung built-in cabinet dito compared din sa una na merong dalawa. Yan. Pero pareho silang merong bathroom. So let's see the bathroom. Yan. For the bathroom, ito mas maliit siya tignan dahil sa design. Pero the same na meron kang cove light dun sa taas. And the same din na hindi nakatile yung buong wall kasi high ceiling na siya. In person, mas ma-appreciate niyo yung high ceiling kasi medyo masikip siya tingnan sa video kasi medyo hindi malapad yung bathroom. Now let's go to the master bedroom. So this one is the master bedroom just beside the staircase. Here is the master bedroom. So it's not going to be the biggest master bedroom you can see. Pero marami ka namang windows and built-in cabinets. And you have a terrace on the right side, and of course has its own bathroom. So ito yung mga windows. So nandito tayo sa may facade ng bahay sa harap, and may mga ginagawang bahay since very popular ngayon ang Greenwoods. Maraming talaga naghahanap ng bahay dito dahil sa location, and syempre wala na yung uneven skin care of the newly elected newly elected Mayor Vico Soto. Hi Mayor Vico Soto, if you're watching this, hindi ka pa presidente. So ito meron ka mga drawers. Maybe you can put a pair of shoes dito. And mga shoes, pwede mo lagyan ng mga shoes, mga pairs of shoes. And you have the built-in cabinet here on the right side. Yan. Let's take a quick look inside. Actually, isa lang yung built-in cabinets dito. Built-in cabinet. Pero you can also, since malaki naman yung master bedroom compared sa iba, pwede ka magdagdag. Sorry. Now this is the bathroom. So of course, medyo mas malaki siya dun sa dalawa. Sa unang dalawang bathroom since master siya. And meron kang window here for more natural light. So kahit na patingin ko yung ilaw na may cove light sa right side, maliwanag pa rin. Okay, sorry. And so ito yung cove light and exhaust fan and yung shower head. And meron ka ding toilet rack kung importante sa'yo. So mapansin ko lang na walang mga bidets. So kung gusto niyo ng bidet, kayo na maglalagay ng bidet. Now let's go to the terrace of the master bedroom. So this will be your area kung gusto niyo magkape or magbabasa kayo ng ebook or newspaper in the morning. So you don't have to worry about this part. Ito, finishing touches pa yan. So as I've said before, mga finishing touches pa yung bahay. So here, makikita nyo yung car garage. So sorry, medyo maingay, marami kasi yung ginagawa. ginagawang bahay as of now. Don't worry, matatapos naman yung bahay niya. And another thing na mapapansin ko is hindi fully covered yung area nung terrace kasi wala siyang canopy. So ang magiging cover niya lang pag umulan is yung bubong. Yan. So siguro another thing to consider is maglalagay ng canopy dito para kung umulan pwede nyo pa rin siya magamit. Okay. So we're done with the bedrooms. Puntahan naman natin yung attic or mukha siyang loft area. Pero considered as attic siya. Na pwede nyo gawing playroom then and another bedroom. So let's go now there. So we are now here on the 3rd floor, which is the attic or the loft area. Well, let's call it an attic na lang. So this one, you have a light window here. Kasi maraming windows sa 3rd floor. Here. And you have your own bathroom here. So before we go inside the bathroom, tingnan natin yung buong attic. Yeah. So malaki talaga yung space niya. So pwede kayo maglagay ng dami pa sinasabing sorry, sana. Anyway, you can put a lot of things here. Pwede nyo gawing gym area. Pwede nyo gawing playroom, playground, office area, office room, whatever na gusto nyo, whatever you desire. And yung bathroom niya dito sa attic, malaki naman siya. Yan. So hindi nga lang siya parang cove light yung ilaw. So ordinary pin light siya. Pero bathroom talaga siya. So meron ka shower head and mga water closet and sink. And meron kang cabinet sa dulo.